In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Gmail and Outlook for beginners. Imap and Pop3. Start by opening Outlook and going to your inbox, so you are on the main mail screen. This is important because the settings area is easiest to access from here. Next, go up to the top left area and click on File. This takes you into the section where Outlook groups account and app options together. From there, click on Settings. The Settings page is where you can control how mail is handled, including protocols like Imap and Pop. Inside Settings, find and click on Mail. This opens the mail-specific options, which affect how messages are received, synced, and managed. Now look for the option called Forwarding and Imap, and select it. Even though the name mentions Imap, this area is also where you can confirm Pop access and locate the server details you may need later. On this page, scroll through until you find the Pop options. There may be a small control or drop-down that you need to open first, so click it to reveal the available settings. Take a moment to look through this section carefully, because the labels can be easy to miss if you scroll past them too quickly. When you see the option that says Let Devices and Apps Use Pop, click it to turn it on. This is the key setting that allows Outlook to connect using Pop3, if you choose that method. If Pop is not enabled, Outlook may fail to sign in, or it may not download messages correctly. After enabling Pop, continue down the page and find the link that says View Pop, Imap, and SMTP settings, then click it. This opens the technical details for mail servers, including the incoming and outgoing server information. Even if you plan to use Imap, this page is still useful because it shows the official settings in one place, which helps prevent typos. At this point, keep that settings page available so you can reference it while adding the Gmail account in Outlook. Using the exact server details shown here helps ensure your connection works smoothly and stays stable. And that is all there is to it.